beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth. If you're new here, I'm a mom of 3, and if you're not new, hey girl. So anyway, it is 8 o'clock at night, 7:48 to be exact, and we are getting our life all the way together. Okay, if you're new here, we are due to move pretty soon in about 3 weeks, and I am behind in a couple of things before I feel like I can really get started on the moving process. Because if you're like me, you know how it feels to get started on like a big project when the rest of your life is a mess. But that's my kids, I'm hiding. I don't have much to do, but it's enough that it's giving me anxiety. So we're gonna get them done. The first place we're gonna start is the pantry downstairs. Child, if you watch my monthly reset, I reset it all right. But that pantry, I bought the stuff, I put it in the pantry, and that's it. So let's go downstairs so I can show you what we're working with. Okay, you guys, so I'm in the kitchen, and this is what the pantry is looking like. Like I said, I literally just came home and threw everything in the pantry. Let me turn on the light so you can get a better view of how horrible it looks. So we're gonna tackle that right now. Excuse the dishwasher running in the background. Let me just pull everything out. You can buy so much cute things to be organized, but if you're not organized, that's not gonna help you. If you don't got no system in place, the cute stuff won't help. I mean, it's motivating, but you gotta do it. So let me pull everything out and then put everything where they're supposed to be.
It's all because you don't want things to change. You need to, but I can't stay to watch you. That's the wrong thing to do. Touch if you need to, but I can't stay to hold you. That's the wrong thing to do. Talk if you need to, but I can't stay to hear you. That's the wrong thing to do. Cause you'll say you love me, and I'll end up lying to say I love you too. But I need someone different, you know. Oh, oh, you know. Oh, oh, you know it. We both know it. I need someone different, you know it. Oh, oh, you know. Oh, oh, you know it. We both know it. Something's been missing, you know it. Oh, oh, she knows it all. I know it. We all know.
Done. It looks better. Sorry, the dishwasher is still running. I don't know if it's on some kind of Hercules cycle, but it's still running. Anyway, it looks much better, you guys. I needed some more bins, so I have a couple of snacks still left in here. I need like some pantry, I don't know, basket, and I got oatmeal in there. This part just look a little bit junky. Ignore it. This look good. There's less things on the floor. I need some baskets, you know. So in a new house, we're gonna be getting this together, but for now, this is a start. It looks just way more organized. And I even put some of our drinks in the fridge that were in the pantry, so that's good. All right, hopefully I can hear me over this maniac dishwasher. We got some packages that we're gonna open up. I do not have a box opener, so we're gonna use a butter knife. I'm so crusty, you guys, so crusty. I just feel like if we don't get these packages open today, they're not getting open. They're just not. I've had these packages for, we going on 3 weeks. The butter knife was not a good idea. This is not a good idea. I need to add that to the list. A box opener from Amazon that I will just not open. What is this? Oh no, I've had this for a month and a half. Ooh, I swear, I order things on Amazon and then I just let them sit because they're not urgent. I open the urgent things and the non-urgent things. Yeah, I just literally let it sit. Is this big or small? Okay, there's a lot. What is this? Oh, these are cereal containers. I think these are going back, you guys. I don't like the quality. If it can even go back, I don't think this can go back. I think I had it for too long. Return window closed on May 21st. Am I stuck with these? You see, that's why you open your packages. This is why. I don't like this. Okay, moving right along. Oh, these are from IKEA. What is these? Oh, these are table mats. No. These are, I should have left this in the box. These are table mats. Remember, to cover the table when the kids are working. These are called desk, like desk covers. You just put it on the table and the kids can do their arts and crafts on it. Should have left this in the box. Right, let me just take it out. Does this come out, these stickers? Yeah. Okay, IKEA. Period. That's done. Let's go upstairs and do the rest. Girl, you thought I was done? You thought I was feeling you? Good morning. Let's not talk about yesterday. We don't live in the past. We move forward. I took a shower and went to bed. I was tired. But okay, we move. So I opened one package, and this is my excuse this time. Amazon be playing. They be playing, and I was returning so much stuff, and by the time these came, I was like, so you know when you return stuff and you're still using the credit, because you can like have the return go to your Amazon like store credit, girl, whatever. So what I did was just like go in my cart and just apply that credit towards stuff. Then I had to return that stuff. Then anyway, I finally opened this one. This is like a new set from, where's this from? Target for my little one. He needs some new pajamas. Cause child. Finally, Bubba, mommy opened this package so you can put your pajamas on. I'm the worst at packages, y'all. Like, I gotta be better. When I'm busy, I just be like, okay. Alright, cause I forgot about what I ordered. I forgot. Alright, here's another one from Target. This is my eldest. I don't like this color. It looks better online. But we move. I'm in my son's bedroom because I'm hiding. These days, I do a lot of hiding. Okay. Next, Amazon. Let me save this package because I may want to return it. It feels soft. Okay. Alright, let's do this one. I don't care how tightly you vacuum wrap it. I will still return it. How am I supposed to open this? Don't do what I do. Okay. Oh, okay. Comfy. Amazon again. What is this? No, this is storage. Ooh. Oh. 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 Last one. You see, I don't even have that much. When it's stacked up, it looks like a lot. But it don't be. Oh, this is a lot. This too. Ooh, this feel good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, this feels like, oh, because this isn't it. Okay. You guys, don't play with her. Don't play. Don't play. Okay, the back was a little weird. I'll give you that. Just a little bit. Probably because my butt ain't buttoned. But I like it. It's really comfortable. It's stretchy. It's really stretchy. It's like a thick, like tight, like a winter tight material, but gym leggings. It's really stretchy, really comfortable, and I don't think you could see anything. I'm not trying to booty flash you. The company is Rio. I'll put it down below. Very thick waistband. Oh, I was trying to figure out what was uncomfortable. This scrunch, do you see it? In the booty part? I'm gonna try to find the same brand without the booty scrunch because this was a little uncomfortable for me. And I wonder, when I'm wearing it, how that booty scrunch look. I like a bubblegum machine. I feel bubblegummy. I don't like this. Okay, I asked a couple of people, my husband and my 3-year-old daughter. It's the color. I'm gonna get another color. What y'all think? It's so big. It's like, what? Is it supposed to be? Oh, I don't think I ordered this. It's cute though, but I don't think I ordered it. I really don't think I ordered this. Why would I order long sleeves in the summer? Make it make sense. This, I like. I like this. This from Torrid. Hey you guys, it is a couple of days later, maybe a week. Anyway, so I went downstairs. I got some trash bags. I got some tall kitchen. Can you guys even see this? The light is so bright in here, sorry. I got some tall kitchen trash bags because we're gonna declutter, baby. We are decluttering. I've been telling you over and over. At this time, you're probably sick of me. We're moving. So I gotta declutter this whole closet, and not just the clothes. Like, everything gotta be decluttered. Bathroom gotta be decluttered. Kids room gotta be decluttered. Basically, we decluttering all of upstairs, okay? So let me stop yapping and let's start working, because I have been avoiding this all day. I was supposed to start at 10, but I sat here and watched a whole bunch of shows, and it's now 12. I did some work too, obviously, but I've been dragging my feet. I need to stop. I don't want to do it. I don't feel so good because Big P is here, and I don't want to do it, but it's time. It's time. It's time. Let's start with the clothes. We're gonna get rid of everything. I'll wait till I'm skinny and I haven't worn in 2 years. I was giving myself grace because I've been pregnant all this time, but my style has changed over the last 3 years, like literally. Some of the stuff need to go, so let's get rid of some of that. Yeah, like be effing for real. Like, I would never anymore.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, 'cause when you're...
Okay, I just emptied and decluttered my side, and I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this side. This is my husband's side, so wish me luck.
Wreck and fall, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. I went to get something to eat. I wasn't gonna make it. So I did most of out there. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bathroom. Yeah, let's do the bathroom. I have all this stuff. This is like my side of the sink, like under the sink. And all this is like mostly hair stuff, bath stuff. And I'm just gonna pull out the stuff that I need to declutter. Oh, I don't wanna do this. Oh.
I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of you had me at alone. I don't understand why you're
Okay, I've had this box for some months. Let's talk about 5 months. But I've been too lazy to do it. So it's just some velvet hangers from Amazon Basics. And they look fine. But I think they look fine. So it's just some velvet hangers. I think I got these fairly affordable. I just can't remember. But I think they're fairly affordable. So I'm going to go ahead and take my clothes and put them on these, but I think I got the ones for pants too. Whew, child. Let's open this one. Okay, I got the next box open, and this is the one for pants. I kind of don't like these little clinky things, but this is what we're using for pants for now. All right, so I'm gonna pull all the clothes out of the closet and replace the hangers. I sound so happy.
I did go bored without you. I just say bye, then I miss you. Wanna control what I do. She's such a beauty with issues. Baby, we can make it so simple right now, yeah. Something in your past must be weighing you down. So your attitude, they be bossy. Feeling like the past keep on pulling back. Baby, me no longer the old me. I'd do anything just to hold you. Maybe you too bossy. I just wanna hear you say you want me. You know.
Alright, you guys, so here is this end and here is that side, and here's the closet overall. So I decluttered on top of there and I decluttered here. Everything that's left is everything we actually want to keep. This isn't organized. Well, none of it is organized by color or season or anything, but oh, I look a mess. I'm honestly just gonna organize it in the new house. But yeah, you guys, I think I'm done, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Wait, I didn't show you all the hangers, the mismatch hangers. Here is the hangers on the floor here, and more hangers all the way over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give the hangers to Goodwill, and I'm going to, what did I do in this video? I don't remember. I did a lot of decluttering. I decluttered this whole room, including the bathroom, and yeah, so thank you so much for spending this Get My Life Together video with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.